Ladies and gentlemen, it is an absolutely fantastic day. I hope you have a piping hot cup of coffee in your hand right now because we're going to get straight into the video with the full Ridge travel set. We have the carry-on, we have the backpack, we have the toiletry bag, we have the luggage tag, and we have the traveling cubes right over here as well, whether it's charging cable connectors, your delicacies, you name it. Let's start with the carry-on. Now, as we get straight into this video, top link in the description box below will be the exact link for these products where you guys can read more about them and pick them up yourself. Top link in the description box below. First and foremost, this is the royal black color, but definitely look at their blue and their orange. I believe it's called Base Camp. Those are beautiful colors as well. But who doesn't love a beautiful black? First and foremost, spinners all the way around, quad spinners. Each wheel has two separated wheels right here as well. Again, 360 spinners. Let's go ahead and show you that to you real quick, as we can see there. Starting on the back here, obviously our luggage bar goes down right here. Coming up to the side with a handle here on the side. Of course, your TSA approved zippers right here with a 3-combo lock right here. On the front of it here, a beautiful carbon fiber Ridge logo right on the top. Obviously nothing on that side there. The top has a handle here, and then a really nice, this is probably the nicest grip I've ever seen on a luggage piece here. It's almost like a mountain bike grip. That is really cool. And then your push-in button here. Very nice. Kudos to you, Ridge, for putting that. That feels a lot better than your dinky plastic handle. And it holds a position right here and at the top there. So there's 3 levels. There's the first level, second level, and third level for your bar there. I know you travel enthusiasts will enjoy some of these details. That's why we're stating them. Okay, first and foremost, right off the bat, we have double clips here. We have a zippered area here, which is mesh, goes all the way down. That opens up for your compartment here. So you could have your clothes, your dirty clothes on top, getting a little ventilation. Everything straps in here. And then on the top here, we have another ventilated slip little pouch here. Looks like we have another luggage tag, so I believe your Ridge carry-on does come with one. And not to mention a few other really cool things in this pouch up top right here. So this little pouch on the front, and then you open this up here, and then you have all the rest of your storage area in the back here. We'll show you an example loaded up here in just a second. But I do want to zoom in right here on this. This is a concealed, and there's actually Velcro right here. This is a concealed Apple AirTag, tile, square, whatever it might be. It says concealed pocket for tracking device right here. Very cool. Glad they incorporated that as well. So let's look at the luggage tag here. It's a leather luggage tag. Opens up here with a little belt loop type of a clasp. And of course your address, name, phone number, email right there. Has a little Ridge logo embossed right there. And this little card says Carry On 101, little QR code. And of course your combination directions there to set the lock. Very cool. Comes with a very large dirty laundry bag. That's always a pleasure, which is ventilated as well for all of your dirty laundry, zippered. And what's really cool is this bag is actually washable and you can actually tumble dry it low. So just literally get home with it zipped up, throw that in your wash machine, and clean those clothes. Also, the carry-on does come with this, which I really like, a drawstring bag for your shoes. Now, I'm going to be going on a golf trip next week, and I can either put my golf shoes in here, I can put my running shoes. It's a golf/mountain biking trip, so that is a great feature. And you do have your drawstring bag right on the top. Drawstrings, I should say, for your bag right on the top. Absolutely fantastic. Lastly, they give you a luggage eraser. This would be for any scuffs that you potentially could get. If you do scuff up your luggage bag, they give you a little eraser and erase any scuffs on your carry-on. Okay, let's look at the toiletry bag. You have the same carbon fiber logo right on front. You have a handle on it here as well. Zippers that go all the way around that open up here. Let's go ahead and bring it on around here. Now, of course, this is the Ridge waterproof series, as my brother's dog wants to get in on the action as well. Now you have see-through ventilated areas here, razors, you name it, your minoxidil, Rogaine, you guys know what I'm talking about. One up here as well, these are all zippered. Obviously, also if TSA opens this up, they can see right in here. In the back here, we have a deep pocket in the back. That pulls up, and then on the back, you have another long pocket here. Bring your hair cutting kit, your Rogaine, any prescriptions that you might have. Very cool toiletry bag that matches the luggage set. Next up here is our travel. I'm going to call them the traveling cubes. I don't know if that's the official name or not, but these are really, really cool. So obviously there's one large one that all the smaller ones are in as well. There's 4 of them here. And these are great for, again, I could fit a pair of shoes in this one, more dirty clothes, and they fold out pretty deep as well. So you could have, again, all sorts of different things. You could put charging cables, chargers, your laptop charger if you really wanted to in here. 2 are the same size, and then the last one is kind of a more, that actually might be the same size. I think so, or maybe a little bit different. But traveling cubes, again, chargers, wall adapters, international travel. They squish flat when you're not using them. And again, here's the large one compared to these ones here. Very cool. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at the backpack. Beautiful right off the top, same exact carbon fiber logo. Let's start with the front here. We have a zipper right here that goes all the way down to my hand, way down here. You could put a water bottle, you name it, tripod. All the zippers look like they're waterproofed here, protected from the elements. Let's start with our main zipper here that goes all the way down. Let's get rid of that. And that is really cool. We got a big logo there. Not exactly sure what that does quite yet, but it does have the ability to Velcro onto our Velcro areas here or here. Okay, starting with the main compartment here. Now again, this is part of the waterproof series. So in the main area here, we have a little slip pouch right here, which is see-through. You can see my hand, obviously. Area for a pin right here. A larger section here. A zipper on the top, which goes to where my hand is right here, all the way across. That'd be good for your laptop charger plug area in here. We do, of course, have your regular backpack handle on the top. Coming around to this side here, you have an expandable little pocket here, which I believe that you can put your water bottle there as well. It has a little bit of extra give to it here. We'll show you this loaded up here in just a second. On the front flap area that opens up. Now this opens up all the way for easy access as well. So you have your mesh area here, your mesh area up top here. Spinning it around, you have another pocket right here with an interior pocket, kind of hard to see on camera. Cell phone, whatever you might want to do on that side here. Now, on the back here, this opens up for your laptop right here. Very nicely, as we can see there, kind of a diamond pattern. Nice little, almost like beautiful velvet, like you would see in a luxury car. Goodness gracious, that's really cool. On both sides as well. And then here next to that, you do have an area where that opens up as well. That's a cool design. You don't have to open up the full entire front. You can open up just that top area here, or you can flap it all the way open. They give you a couple different options for that. That zips up right there. Now let's look at the back here. You do have a little strap right on your chest area here. And this is actually a magnetic clasp here where all you have to do is slide up and it will stay put because it's magnetized, but you just slide up to remove it like that there. Folding it open, of course, you have ventilated strap arms right here. Ridge logo. You have your carry-on little slip bar here. And then you have another zipper down here at the bottom, which has a lot of room from my hand here to the bottom of the backpack where you can put your wallet, whatever it might be, down in the bottom there. Adjustable straps there at the bottom as well. Now let's show you the loaded up. Alrighty, first and foremost, we got a MacBook Pro. That is the 15.6 inch. Sets on in there, and you go ahead and zip that up there. Again, padded for the protection. Plenty of room on this side, but I think you're looking at probably maximum 16-inch laptop is going to be your go-to in the back. And then you do have almost like crash pads in the back here as well. Not only for protection on your back, but if you accidentally drop this, these would be very nice and secure for your laptop, as you can see there. All right, inside the backpack, I got my DJI drone, my charger, my controller. I got full over-the-ear headphones, my laptop MacBook charger. Go ahead and zip that guy up like that. I got my laptop in the back, of course, as well. And once again, the backpack strap goes right over the carry-on. So that completes the beautiful little set there, as we can see, with my spinner wheels, black backpack on top. Okay, I got plenty more room in here as well with my buckles unstrapped here. Again, I can put something in the front here. I have my running shoes, Adidas Ultra Boost 1.0. Very comfortable shoes, by the way. I got those right there. I got my travel cube bag. TSA can see that. Open it up. I got my socks and boxers right here. I got my toiletry bag over here. Again, plenty more room. Use your adjustable straps right here. I got room over here still. I got my Apple AirTag over here, flapping this forward. I got a pair of jeans, my joggers, my hoodie. I got a jean jacket, another hoodie, and a windbreaker right there. Stack more in here. I can stack more shirts right here. Plenty of room. And now I am ready for my weekend in Paris to hire an international real estate agent to go look for chateaus. Sometimes you gotta tell yourself your plans so you can jump on it. Ladies and gentlemen, that is a fantastic luggage set. I do want to show this to you as well. So your big water bottle will be able to fit on the front pocket, like I did mention. With that said, this is the Ridge water bottle here. And then we open it up and, oh, lo and behold, I got a matching Ridge pin in the Hyper Lime right there. Conveniently, if I have a newest ponder, I can write that down in my journal. Now it can fit over here, as we can see, but it is kind of a tight little fit. So if you're gonna go with a big one, I mean, totally up to you. That's nice and secure in there. Or again, you could just put it in the flap in the front right here. I'll leave that up to you. That is a huge thumbs up in my book. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, top link in the description box below will be this exact same luggage set. You can buy them individually, you can buy it all together. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I am making a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase on a way. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on the way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, as well as tech-related DIY projects and more. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Once again, top link in the description box below. I will see you on the next video. My name is Chris.